Hello, old friends. So, what I'm doing right now is I recently updated my graphics card to help me with local LLMs for local AI. And I've been using LM Studio, and I just added this plugin right here, Big Rag, by Mind Studio. Um, I'll link in the note underneath the video, but it's lmstudio.ai/mindstudio/big-rag. But what this gives me is I happen to have a huge Obsidian vault with, at the moment, 10,125 notes, you can see. And what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to search through all of those notes in my LLM. And I obviously don't want to do this in any sort of public thing. I want a private LLM. So that's entirely the whole point. So you click here and you install, and then you hit the little hammer for integrations in your chat window. I'm using Qwen 3.635B, but whatever model you're using. And you see I had to click to enable. I put in the path to my vault, and then I put in a new path where it's making a vector database where it's actually storing all this information. I had to turn off OCR because it was blowing up on various images. And I don't really care about the images that are in there. I just want my notes, really. Well, it'd be nice to have the images, but whatever. And then I did a manual reindex, and then did a little restart this. And you can see right here, this is going to take forever. Well, forever being like probably about 6 hours at this point. Indexing, it just hit 1,700 out of my 17,835. So it's successfully done 1286, 1287, 2088, and so forth. So like 5 or 6 hours probably is what it'll actually be. But once that's done, I'll be able to search through all my notes, and the LLM will know everything I've got notes on. And it's all private because this is running on my local computer. The notes are in my private on my local computer. The LLM is private on my local computer. Yeah. And I can just keep on adding to these files to my notes, and it'll just know more and more and more. And I'm really, really hopeful that this will be useful. Hopefully it'll be useful for you too. Thanks.